Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth adapter to your car. To begin, identify your car's auxiliary input port, usually located in the center console or dashboard. You will need a Bluetooth adapter, its charging cable, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Ensure your adapter is fully charged before you start, which usually takes about 1 hour. This initial check ensures you have all necessary components ready to go. Now, plug your fully charged Bluetooth adapter into a power source, like a USB port in your car or a car charger. Next, turn on the adapter and put it into pairing mode. This is often done by holding a button for a few seconds until an indicator light blinks. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings menu. Look for the adapter's name, such as BT Receiver or CarLink, and select it to establish the connection. With your phone now paired, connect one end of your 3.5mm auxiliary cable directly into the Bluetooth adapter. Then, plug the other end of that same auxiliary cable into your car's auxiliary input port. Finally, select the auxiliary audio input on your car's stereo system, often labeled AUX or line-in. This crucial step directs all audio from the adapter through your car's speakers, making your music audible. Now, play some audio from your phone, like a song or podcast, and set its volume to approximately 75%. Then, adjust your car stereo's volume to a comfortable listening level. If you do not hear any sound, ensure all cables are securely connected and your car stereo is still on the correct auxiliary input. A quick reset of the adapter or your phone can also resolve minor issues, allowing you to enjoy your wireless audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.